On this special day, as we honor the incredible impact of teachers, I want to share a story that beautifully captures the essence of true teaching. An old man was approached by a young man who asked, "Do you remember me?" The old man looked puzzled and replied, "No, I'm sorry, I don't." The young man then smiled and said, "I was your student." "What do you do now?" the old man asked, curious about the young man's life. "I became a teacher," the young man replied, "just like you." The old man, intrigued, asked, "When did you decide to become a teacher?" The young man began to tell a story from his past. "One day, a friend of mine had a beautiful watch. I wanted it, so I stole it. My friend quickly noticed the missing watch and told our teacher, who was you. You calmly addressed the class, saying, 'Someone stole a watch today. Please return it.' But I didn't. You then instructed all of us to stand in a circle, close our eyes, and said you would search each pocket. You searched each pocket, and when you found the watch in mine, you simply continued searching without a word. When you were done, you announced, 'You can open your eyes. We have the watch.' You never revealed who took it. You never mentioned it again. That day, you saved my dignity. It was the most shameful day of my life, but it was also the day I decided I didn't want to be a thief, a bad person." "Do you remember this, Professor?" the young man asked. The old teacher, with a soft smile, replied, "Yes, I remember searching for the watch, but I don't remember you, because I also closed my eyes while searching." This is the essence of teaching: to correct without humiliation, to guide without shame, because true teaching is not just about imparting knowledge, but about nurturing the soul.